Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have Gemini retro access and an API key, because without that you cannot call the model. Gather one reference image and note desired resolution and retro style cues. These guide prompts and post-processing. Open your terminal or API client and set environment variables for the key. This prevents accidental leaks. Once done, create a small test prompt that names the reference, target size, and retro artifacts you want so you can iterate quickly. Now you write a detailed prompt that explains the retro aesthetic. Film grain strength, color shift, vignette, and era references like 1970s print. Include the reference image in the request body or via URL and set parameters for size and quality. Use a fixed seed to recreate results. Send the request to the Gemini retro endpoint and inspect the returned image artifact. If the output is off, tweak one parameter at a time so you know what changed. Finish by running several iterations and selecting the best candidate. Refine prompts to exaggerate or reduce retro cues. Download the highest quality image, then apply light post-processing for authentic film curves, subtle noise, and selective color shifts. Make sure to save prompt and seed so you can reproduce the image later. If results look washed out or inconsistent, revert to a previous seed and change only one prompt token. That pinpoint method reveals which instruction caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.